Well, trouble seems to be mounting for popular YouTuber and podcaster Ranveer Alavadia a day after a video of him surfaced on the internet in which he is found to be giving out remarks that are completely inappropriate, derogatory, and also cringeful. Now, Assam police has already lodged an FIR against him. Mumbai police is investigating this case. In fact, calls have gone not just to him but also to Samay Raina, who was the host of this YouTube show, India's Got Latent. Now, what we understand is that the Parliamentary Standing Committee on IT, which is seen as quite powerful, it's seen as discussing and deliberating legislative matters with regard to IT affairs, is also likely to summon Ranveer Alavadia and question the context in which he made those remarks, and also discuss ways in which such episodes can be prevented in future. Now, this is a powerful committee because it has summoned players like X and Meta in the past, and in some ways it forms the legislative spine of the country, coming up with laws that effectively address such crimes. Also, there are questions with regard to if these calls for prosecution and criminal action against somebody who has made those comments and apologized, are they valid or not? But the most important question is if TV media and TV is subject to restrictions and restraints. Remember, there are conditions on profanity, sexual conduct, and also ads on alcohol for TV media. Shouldn't such a leveling field also be extended to YouTube and digital content? And if the government needs to get into this, or if this needs to be self-regulation. But what we understand is that while Mumbai police is investigating this case, YouTube has already taken off this video. Kanchan Gupta, who's a senior advisor in the INB ministry, has said that this has happened after the centre's intervention, and now it is likely that Ranveer Alavadia will also be summoned by the IT committee, the Parliamentary Standing Committee on IT Affairs, which is also likely to deliberate this issue. Opposition MPs, BJD MP Sasmit Patra has also raised this issue, and also Shiv Sena UBT MP Priyanka Chaturvedi has made this important point that the remarks which were made by Ranveer Alavadia in some ways also normalizes, pervasive attitude and pervasive comments, which is completely against the concepts of decency. So clearly this needs to be stopped. Well, bigger questions there as to if there needs to be any attention given to the attention economy that YouTube functions on, forcing digital content makers to click, share, like, and monetize their content, in some ways also creating a pressure of producing content that is viral and that is also cringeworthy. So there are questions on if this kind of hate watching or cringe watching needs to stop, if there is a need to call out such content or not, and how much should the government get into this kind of regulation.